What's going on? My name's Chris, and in this video, you're going to learn about the best high-paying WordPress affiliate program in 2022. That is LifterLMS. LMS stands for Learning Management System, which is used for creating online courses, training-based membership sites. LifterLMS is the premium option in the space. It has the most features. It's the most all-in-one comprehensive e-learning solution for WordPress. Unless you've been living under a rock, there's been a huge explosion in demand for online course software, people wanting to work from home, make money from home, create training-based membership sites and recurring revenue. And they need a system, a learning management system, to create, package, and monetize through online courses and memberships. That's where LifterLMS comes in. One of the things that makes LifterLMS special, I'm just going over to the pricing page here, is that it is a premium option. It is one of the, if not the most expensive WordPress plugin set in WordPress. You can see the top pricing plan as of this recording is $1,200 per year. And so when people are building businesses, if you go through the website here, you'll see case studies where people are making hundreds of thousands or more with this software. So when the investment of $1,000 in software is not that big of a deal, when the ROI is for some 100x or more. So that's why LifterLMS commands this price point, because it's the best solution, and also because of the potential ROI that users can get when they follow the training that LifterLMS also provides to help create, package, and monetize online courses and successful coaching programs. So in terms of the affiliate program, that is 25% commissions on every sale that you generate. If you're new to affiliate marketing, all that means is that you're going to get a special link when you sign up for this program, and anybody who clicks on your link, whether you're promoting it on email, social media, on your website, or wherever, if that person makes a sale within, I believe it's 90 days, the cookie period, and they clicked on your link, was the last affiliate link that they clicked on, you're going to get 25% of the sale. So what that means, we're just looking at the pricing. So for the $1,200 plan, that means you're going to earn $300 in affiliate commission. If people get the middle option, which is $360, you're going to earn $90. And if people buy an individual add-on, which is the way some people buy this software, you're going to get $30. But even just one sale of the big bundle, you're going to get $300 essentially for just sharing a link. And the way that we do that is we use a platform called Share a Sale, which is an affiliate management system. So you just have to sign up on Share a Sale. This is what it looks like if you're new to Share a Sale. It's kind of like a middleman that sits between LifterLMS, the software company, and you, the affiliate marketer. They create the links, they do all the tracking. They actually take money out of LifterLMS's bank account and pays you when you're owed commission. So they're like a middleman that kind of creates a solid foundation between companies like LifterLMS that have an affiliate program and you, an affiliate marketer, so that you definitely get paid, everything's tracked correctly, and all the tax stuff and everything is just handled super professional. So when you sign up, there's basically two ways to sign up. One is a merchant, which LifterLMS is, which means they're selling something and they want to have an affiliate program, but you would go through the affiliate sign up flow. So once you sign in, it looks like this, and this is, you have to find LifterLMS in the merchants. Once you find it, you apply to join. They're going to accept you if your site and what your plan is looks legitimate. And then what you're going to get is this unique link right here. So this is this user's affiliate link. So, and just real quick right here, LifterLMS is actually made by a company called Codebox. So that's what this is here. But this is this user's unique affiliate link. So the way most people do it is they will just take this link and then they will share it on social media, on email, on their website, and that's how they do affiliate marketing, both through campaigns and evergreen content. You know, maybe you make a YouTube video about LifterLMS and you put your affiliate link in the description. You ask people to click on it. Maybe you send an email broadcast about LifterLMS. Maybe you create a page of recommended tools on your site and you recommend LifterLMS and so on. And just a pro tip for you, you can take this link right here and you copy it. And then what's really popular if you have a WordPress website is affiliates use this plugin. There's a free version, a paid version. I actually use the free version myself. It's a great plugin made by a great team. It's called Pretty Links. And what this does is it allows you to create a much shorter branded link. And I'll show you what that looks like right here. So I've got Pretty Links installed on this website. And I'm just going to make one for LifterLMS. And here is the target URL, which is essentially my kind of ugly, long, weird affiliate link. And what I'm doing is I'm creating a redirect. So this is my website, lifterlikes.com. I'm going to just put the word LifterLMS right here. You can put whatever you want. And this is actually going to be a permanent redirection, which is just telling the search engine, like, hey, if you see this link, always redirect it over to the actual affiliate link. So I'll click update. And now what you can see is I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go over here and just in this bar, I'm going to put it in here just so you can see it. That is the affiliate link that I can share everywhere. And then the cool thing is with this link is that you know, if LifterLMS were to change the platform they use to manage their affiliate program, like off of ShareASale, and switch to something else like Impact Radius or something, you would just need to come in here in this Pretty Link and update your new affiliate link right here, and you're done. Even if you have it posted in 100 different places on your websites and social media and everything, you just have to update it in one place. So also LifterLMS has actually been on ShareASale since the beginning of their program, and they have no plans to change where they host their affiliate program. But that's just a nice thing to do if you ever have to update an affiliate link. It's really easy with using the Pretty Links deal. And this is a good way to stay organized. There's also stats. You can see how many times your links are getting clicked on from there as well. So come on over to lifterlms.com/affiliates-sign-up, or just Google LifterLMS affiliate program. If you're already on ShareASale, just apply to the program to the merchant so that we can get you in and you can start promoting LifterLMS. Even just getting one Infinity bundle conversion, the top plan that's going to give you $300 in your bank account. So come help promote LifterLMS. LifterLMS is all about, you know, we want to support the individuals, the entrepreneurs out there, and you know, we'd rather give you money for bringing traffic and conversions to LifterLMS than a giant corporation through ads and that kind of thing. So go ahead and join the best high-paying WordPress affiliate program in 2022. That's LifterLMS. If the LifterLMS team, if we can help you in any way, feel free to reach out. We're at team@lifterlms.com. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and wish you all the best in your affiliate marketing business.